Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited for this new video where we're gonna keep learning more about WordPress and how we can keep optimizing our websites so we can have a better online presence, we can have better leads, and finally make more money. Today we're gonna talk specifically about how we can add a video background into our websites, specifically in our hero sections. But what is a hero section? In a website, this is the hero section right here. It's the first thing every visitor sees when they get into our website. It's pretty much where they show what we do, why our visitors should work with us, and what our visitors need to do in order to contact us and start working with us. Usually there's an image as a background, but in order to enhance a little bit more our website and give it like a feeling of an upgrade and a premium service, we're gonna add a video to this just to improve engagement and lead quality. So first thing we need to do is to find our video. Quick note here, just like images, if you're gonna use a video you found on the internet and you download it, make sure that that video is free license to be used for commercial use, so you can put in your video, and if not, you can buy it. But otherwise, I will just recommend you to make a video with your phone and then optimize it and add it to your website. Another thing, there are two ways to add a video background into our website. The first one that we're gonna do today is adding the video in our hosting in our own WordPress site. So every time somebody opens our website, WordPress pulls our video from our own server. The second option, which is one of the most common, is to host the video into YouTube or Vimeo. So every time somebody opens a website, WordPress pulls the video from YouTube or from Vimeo and then play it into your website. Main difference is speed. When we host the video into our own website, when people click on our website and opens the video, immediately start playing, is faster because it's hosted in our own page. Versus when it's hosted in YouTube or Vimeo, it takes usually 1.5 seconds and start loading our video. This depends on the speed of the internet, the kind of connections that there are, and also the technologies you're using. But for the most part, having a video inside of a WordPress site is going to be faster. But there's one main condition in order to have our video hosted in our own website, which is that we have to optimize the video so the size is not as heavy that could affect the speed of our website. So let's get right into it. First of all, we have to find our video. So as I mentioned before, I use Envato. This is a photos and videos stock for any commercial use. So any photo or video that I can use, I can find here, I can download it and use it for commercial uses. But today we're going to use it for our example website. So we need roofing video because our website is about roofers, and usually best practice is to use a video or image background for our video sections of somebody smiling, just to relate better to our visitors. But let's see if we can find a video of a roofer smiling here. Otherwise, we're just gonna use the one that we find first. So let's pick this one and we're gonna download this one. All right, so once this is downloaded, we can go and see it in our own computer. And here we're gonna see how heavy this video it is, because this video is not optimized yet to be hosted in our WordPress site. So we're gonna hover on it and we can see that it is 195 megabytes. This is huge. This is too heavy. A whole website 5 or even 10 pages can't weigh that. So we definitely don't want to add that. That's definitely going to slow down our website. So we have to optimize it. We have to optimize it. First thing we need to do in order to optimize it is reducing the length of the video. So we're gonna play our video. We can see that our video, it is 16 seconds. For best practices, we only need 5 seconds of our videos. There are specific cases that some businesses will need 10, 15 or 20 seconds videos. And for most businesses, for you, 5 seconds is more than enough. So we have to reduce that. And how do we do that? I'm working on a PC on Windows. So for me, it will be to edit it. Windows comes with a free software called Clipchamp, and I can edit it from there natively from Windows. So right now this is going to open my video. You can see here that it has 16 seconds and we just need to reduce it to 5. I usually will recommend you to look for the best 5 seconds of the video where people are looking at the camera and smiling. But in this video, you can see that the last 5 seconds in the middle, people just are showing their backs, and at least we can see their faces in the first 5 seconds. So we're gonna do that. So once we select the 5 seconds of our video, we're gonna click in export, and then we're gonna say the name. We can do roofer video. And then we have 3 options here. We have 4K, 1080, 720. 4K, you don't need this unless your video is going to be played in a 72 inches TV. You don't need it, and especially now that we're using it for websites. So we don't need it. 720, it will be if your video doesn't have much details and you wouldn't mind to be a little bit blurry. This definitely will have a lighter video, faster website, but I think it's worth it to have it in 1080. That's what is the best practice. Everybody recommends 1080 because it keeps the quality, it doesn't get blurry, and it's still a very light video. So we're gonna click 1080 and we're gonna export. So the Clipchamp is gonna render our video, and it takes a couple seconds, and automatically mine uploads a video to the cloud. even though I don't need it. But I'm gonna save it in my computer. You just need to click on that and save it in your computer, and it must be there. We could go back to our folder, and now we're gonna see for how much we optimize our video in this first step. So our 16-second videos that we download from the library, it is 195 megabytes, which is huge, and we went to 12 megabytes, which is a huge improvement. This is good, but it's still not good enough. Good practice for videos, 5 seconds and also 5 megabytes. Our video should be around 5 megabytes to keep our website light and fast. So there's another thing that we're gonna do here in order to optimize even more our video. In order to optimize even more our video, we will need another software. It's called HandBrake. This is a free software. If you don't have it, you can go into Google, type HandBrake, find the official website and then download it. It is free to use, very useful. If you are working with websites, you're going to use it a lot, and especially if you're working with videos. It's asking us to drop the file, so we're going to go to a folder, pull the already optimized video of the one of 12 megabytes because we need to reduce this one even more, and we're going to drag it and drop it into Brake. Here, I'm going to show a couple options and setup that we need to do in order to optimize it in the best way. The preset is already set at 1080p30, which is the quality and 30 frame rate. So we can do 720p30. This is also gonna lower the quality of your video, so it's gonna be a little blurry. But if your video doesn't have much detail, you probably want to go with 720 because your video is gonna be even lighter. But as our video is showing a couple people in the roof, so we're just gonna leave it in 1080. This works for most of the cases. We're also gonna check this box which says web optimize, so HandBrake is gonna optimize our video for websites. And we can go to the video tab. We have to keep this in as it is, don't touch it. And the frame rate, we can reduce the 30 to 24. That's gonna reduce the size of our video even more. And if your video has audio, you can get rid of it. We don't need audio in our website, at least in the background video or hero section. So we just gonna get rid of it. And we go to summary, we review that everything looks good, and we click on start encode. So it's gonna take a couple seconds to optimize it. It's pretty much done. So we go back to our folder. We have the 3 videos here right now. We're gonna refresh just to make sure that everything is fine. So our original video was 195 megabytes, and then after the first optimization, it went down to 12 megabytes, and after the second optimization with HandBrake, it went to 2.6 megabytes, which is excellent. As long as it doesn't go over 5 megabytes, that's perfect to be used in a WordPress website. And I'll show you really quick what is the difference of the quality. You can see here that this is the one that it is 195 megabytes. It looks good. And here I'm going to show you the one that we have, which just lost a little bit of color, but you still can see the video. It looks just fine. So we're going to use this video in our website. How do we do that? We go back to our WordPress dashboard, pages, we open our home page. In this case, it's the only page that we have available, and we're going to find our heroes section right here. We click in the hero section, we click in this settings button, and we click in styles tab. In the very bottom of styles tabs is going to give us the option for our backgrounds. For backgrounds, we can pick between none, an image, or a video. So we need to click in video. It's going to ask us if we want to add a background video. We click on it, upload files, select files, and we're going to be able to see 3 videos we have. The heaviest one, the most heavy one, which is 195, 12 megabytes, and the optimized for the WordPress website, 2.6 megabytes. We click on it, we open it, and just as images, we need to optimize the title for SEO purposes. In this case, we're going to do roofers working for mountain roofing FC in the title. We're going to copy it with caption description. Usually you have to do like a better job at assigning the title, the caption, and the description, but as we are doing this just as an example and copy and pasting it. Select the video, and voila, we have the background video for our site. This is how it looks. Definitely has an upgrade and enhance for our website. You can see that the video is in a loop. It replays every 5 seconds, but that's more than enough because anyone, even you, can realize that when you get in the website, within 1 or 2 seconds, you screen all the hero section. You see what you're doing, you start scrolling down. So that's going to be how we add a video for our background in our website, specifically in WordPress. If you or any of your family, your friend, they own a website, a WordPress website, and they want to add a video background for their websites, please send them this video. I'm pretty sure it's going to help them. You also please comment anything that you think about the video. If you have any question about the process, or if you have any idea about for next videos, I'll definitely have any consideration. Share it and subscribe. That keeps me motivated to keep posting videos, and I'll see you next week.